Hello there, and welcome to a small tutorial about how to send your nVidia graphics card into a power saving mode while having multiple displays with different refresh rates without any performance loss while gaming or watching any video. Why would you need to do this? The answer is simple. The graphics card, while in idle and using multiple displays with different refresh rates, will always boost the core clock speed and memory clock speed to the maximum. That is not good, because it will increase temp of the graphic card. What will we achieve here? Basically, when you are not running the selected game or program, your graphic card will be forced to work in specific low power state, while having multiple displays. In this tutorial, I used a PC with 3 displays. Far left and far right displays have 60Hz refresh rate, and the display in the middle got 144Hz refresh rate. To fix this, you would first need to download a small program named nVidia Inspector. Just Google it like shown in the video. I recommend downloading it from www.guru3d.com. Pay attention to the version of the program. Your version will most likely be different from mine. That is alright, because you would only need one option from the program. Everything else does not matter for now. After you downloaded it, you will need to unpack it. I recommend a program named 7-Zip. Pay attention to where you are unpacking it, because you should not delete the program after we are finished. So unpack it somewhere where it will stay without any problems. I recommend C drive and program folder. For tutorial purpose, I will unpack it on my desktop. You should not do that. After you unpacked it, you will need to run nVidia Inspector.exe as administrator. That is inside of the folder you just unpacked. To do that, simple right-click with your mouse on the nVidia Inspector.exe and select Run as Administrator. Right after that you will see the program opened. Next, at the bottom of the program, right-click your mouse on Show Overclocking and select Multi-Display Power Saver. In the next window that is opened, first, you need to check your graphic card on the right side of the video. After that you will see a small change on the left side of current window. Next you will need to check Run Multi-Display Power Server at Windows Startup. With that, you limited your graphic card to a certain point, and the core clock speed and memory clock speed will be reduced. That means if you would start a game now, or any program that uses the graphic card a lot, you will have a terrible FPS or just terrible performance in general. To bypass that, you will need to manually choose what program is allowed to boost your core and memory. Simple right-click inside for 3D applications, or video applications, depending on program or game you want. With the first option, you can select whole path to the exe of the game, or program. Or, with the second option, if the program or the game is already running, simple choose from the list. For tutorial purpose, I will select Counter-Strike CSGO, that is already running in the background. To do so, I will choose the second option, and select CSGO exe. But before I do that, please pay attention to the forced performance state in the top left side of the current window. You can see that the forced state is P8. After I select CSGO exe, the forced state will change to P0. That means that everything went fine, and that we are basically done here. Now, the only thing left for you to do is to select all programs and games that you want to have maximum performance. After you are done, just close the program and you finished. If this small tutorial helped you, please just leave a like so many people can find this video when needed. Bye, and have a nice day.